Hello traders, welcome to tradingwithbill.com. It is a Wednesday, October 18th, 2017. Great to be with you, coming to you from Thailand. It is currently 7:40 in the morning. That would be 20:40 hours on Wall Street. Like I said, traders, great to be with you. Another day at the charts. The markets are the same as they were yesterday, doing nothing. Oh my goodness, when is this going to stop? When are we going to see some movement? The candles get smaller and the movement gets less. That's the motto for the week. All right, let's see what's going on in the markets, what's going on today in news, all that good stuff. So today, the S&P futures is flat across the board, all zeros. NASDAQ futures is up 0.04%. Dow is up 0.18% with the small cap 2,000 negative 0.34%. S&P 500 VIX is up 4.04%. DAX is negative 0.07%. Nikkei 225 is up 0.02%. And the US dollar index is down 0.07% at that 93.29 level. Are we ever going to see 95 again? I really want to see 95 again. All right, let's take a look at gold and all that good stuff. So gold is at 1,289.87, pretty far away now from that 2,300 level. So, I'm sorry, 1,300 level. WTI is at 51.80, Brent is at 58.20, and U.S. coffee is negative 1.98%. What's going on in news today? Data today, not much. Singapore's on a holiday for those of you who might be in Singapore. Global dairy trade came out. There was no forecast, but it came out at negative 1.0. And what else do we got? That looks like about it, my friends. MI leading index out of the Aussie today. Nothing moving there. And as we don't have anything, all we have is Draghi speaks in the U.S. session today. And that's that'll be 8 a.m. on Wall Street. The Great British Pound has average earnings index today, also claiming count change for September. And what's in the U.S.? We have building permits. So the news is pretty good today. We got a steady flow of news throughout the day today. Housing starts, manufacturing sales out of the U.S., crude oil inventories, crushing crude oil inventories. And so full day in data today, full day. You know, let's just peek at this. I know it's really horrible, but let's do it anyhow. Here's our euro. Just slowly, clawing through the sand, going a little bit lower every day, but nothing like, I don't see any of this that's tradable. The movement is so little and so like horrible. I didn't get in this trade. And now you're looking at a situation where if this goes back to this 200 exponential moving average, which is the green line on the chart, we have a sell opportunity, right? Get this to the 200 and sell it back down. But on the way back down, you now got to fight the 55 and then the 20, and then, of course, the 5 EMA, which currently is right under price. So that's an interesting thought. Anyhow, let's take a look at the pound. Now, the pound is made its way down a little bit. This was an okay trade, folks. This was our entry here. This got a big candle. Depending on where you got in, you probably might have missed that. I did. I was not at my charts. So this comes down, falls down, and then this just wiggles its way down. But this was a data candle in London. I think it came out at 4:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. So so this just came out, and I don't like taking trades. One, that's a data candle, but two, I don't like taking trades that just break, and I'd like to see the close. I'm really big about seeing the close. I don't like chasing that candle, because that candle could have been back up at the top again, right, or above that 200 exponential moving average. We don't want to see that. So that's what happened with the pound. It did work, but it wasn't pretty. It wasn't pretty. So what are we looking at today? Today we're going to look at the Euro Aussie. This is my trade of the day today. Euro Aussie, hard trade. This is not an easy trade. If you don't feel comfortable, man, don't do it. This is a tough trade because you got a lot of fighting going to our entry, and then we got a lot of fighting getting down a profit. So this is a tough trade, but I have to, I'm looking for new stuff. At least it's interesting, if nothing else, right? So we're looking for this to pull back up to this 1.5040 area, the 200 exponential moving average. And then we're going to sell this. And then we're going to sell it all the way back down to 1.4960. So, this can be a 70, 75 pip trade depending on where you enter this trade. This is a good trade, but it's a tough trade, and we need a lot of help from the markets to do this, right? So we need we need this pullback. We need and then we need this to just drop and get through these other EMAs and get in it. The good news is, you're over 20 pips, so you get back down to that 55 exponential moving average, that teal line, and you'll be break even, right? In this market, folks, break even is crucial. Crucial. You have to get break even. You get 15 pips up, 14 pips up, 12 pips up, get to break even. If it goes against you, you can get back in. This is not the market to be taking big losses. Little losses are okay. 2 or 3 pips is okay. 50, 60 pip losses in this market is bad. Nobody should be taking 50 pip losses, okay? All right, that's our trade of the day, traders. Don't have very much today. Traders, trade smart. Really, that's the really key is trade smart. Don't get clicking crazy on the mouse. Do your own trade plan. Trade your plan. Stay mechanical. I like that, right? Stay mechanical. You know when to get in. You know when to get out. You know when to start, getting a break even. Have all that ready to go before you click the mouse. And then it's a stress-free situation for you, okay? All right, traders, again, thanks for being with me. See you tomorrow morning in Asia. Take care now. Bye-bye.